Alright everybody, we are back again. This is function number 2. We have our other function over there just sitting, chilling. This is basically yesterday's work right here. It ended up not working. I'll explain that in a second. That's like try 3 for that day. But here we are. This is the first step of this function working. So I'll go ahead and give her a go. And this is what it does. Wow, hasn't broken yet. It did one slight jam thing, but I think that was up here, easily fixable, and not actually back in my gearbox. Basically what this does here, where we can focus, come on buddy. Yeah. See there? That's all the function that I wanted. To get that though, because this is stretching, this from bar to bar 16, it needs to go over. It's like almost a 20 stud back and forth, which is pretty long. A lot of things that I tried were not able to reach that long, or when you extended them that long had way too little torque, like this guy. I needed at least a bit of torque at the end to push up this like gate, I guess you call it. That's just rubber banded on there. But this ended up being the ticket. I thought of this last night, I think past midnight, and I'm implementing it now. You can see the basic function here. Pretty simple. These just so happen to be the exact diameter, and you know you alternate the rotation there, so that they're one's spinning clockwise, one's spinning counterclockwise. Running it based off this motor here, and this is a small motor. One thing I tried on this guy over here, which I will show you why it fails now. Unplug this. Come over here. I tried putting the bigger motor on it, but it didn't do squat for the thing. So here it is. This is extending long enough. You see I'm getting the alternating motion here based off this. Because the radius of this one is bigger than this one, it doesn't make a full rotation and does an alternation. You see there. This does work. I had to gear this up a bunch. In there though, you're able to apply a bunch of force to the end of it, and so like I can stop it right here. When in reality, if I move my finger out of the way, it fully extends to 4 studs longer than that. So basically that meant that because I'm able to apply a force at the end and it doesn't go past it at all and it's just perfectly fine, like with 4 studs back and forth, it didn't have enough force at the end to lift up my little rubber band gate, even though like a little ant could lift that thing. So I had to, despite putting a bigger motor on it and all this stuff, somewhere in the gears there, you see the gears moving as I'm... Yeah, basically the torques on the axles and stuff didn't quite cut it. But we have the first step going here, and this is going to be the first part of my wave machine, believe it or not. We're going to get this guy moving eventually. It's going to be wee, like a finger underneath it there, and then again. That's the goal. Anyway, stay tuned. Hopefully more updates to come later today, but looking good so far.